Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Draconia, there lived a young dragon named Drake. Drake was a bright and curious dragon, always eager to explore the world around him. However, there was one thing that set Drake apart from the other dragons in his clan. He couldn't breathe fire. While all the other dragons in Draconia could breathe scorching flames that could melt mountains, Drake could only manage a feeble puff of smoke. This made him the subject of ridicule and mockery among his peers, who often teased him for his lack of fire-breathing abilities. Despite the taunts and jeers, Drake remained determined to prove himself. One day, while exploring a deep cave in the mountains, Drake stumbled upon a mysterious crystal. As he touched the crystal, a surge of energy coursed through his body, filling him with a newfound sense of power. To his amazement, Drake discovered that the crystal had granted him the ability to control the elements. With a wave of his claw, he could summon gusts of wind, create torrents of water, and even conjure bolts of lightning. Drake was overjoyed at his newfound abilities and couldn't wait to show them off to his clan. When Drake returned to Draconia, he was met with astonishment and awe as he demonstrated his mastery over the elements. The other dragons watched in amazement as he summoned storms and created dazzling displays of light and sound. Suddenly, Drake was no longer the subject of ridicule. He was hailed as a hero among his peers. As word of Drake's incredible powers spread throughout Draconia, dragons from far and wide came to seek his guidance and wisdom. Drake became known as the Sage of the Elements, revered for his knowledge and mastery over the forces of nature. With his newfound abilities, Drake embarked on a series of daring adventures, using his powers to protect the land of Draconia from dark forces and evil creatures. He became a legend among dragons, known for his bravery and cunning in the face of danger. And so, the young dragon, who couldn't breathe fire, had discovered a power far greater than any flame, the power of the elements. Drake's story became a tale told for generations, inspiring dragons young and old to embrace their unique gifts and never give up on their dreams. And as for Drake, he knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, he would always have the strength and courage to face them head-on, thanks to the incredible gift bestowed upon him by the mysterious crystal in the depths of the mountain cave.